Hi, so I just want to show you a few of the features in my accounting lab. Um, One is some of the homework help you can get when you're working on problems. So when you're in a problem, you can look up and there's in the right side of the screen, there's this question help button. So if you click on this, you have a few different ways to get help on how to work the problem. So help me solve this kind of gives you like some practice tips, and you can go ahead and kind of work through a few things, and it'll be similar to what you need to know to do the problem. So a lot of my students say that's very helpful. If you click on video, you can go and you can watch a video about the topic. Then there's e-text pages. So if you click on that, that's going to bring you to the pages in the textbook. That'll show you where that topic is being talked about, and so you can read the textbook pages for the explanation. Or you can go to Ask My Instructor. So if you click here, you can ask a question, a particular question about that problem, saying, I don't understand, why they got 127. I added together the direct materials and the direct labor and the manufacturing overhead, and I got 88. What am I doing wrong? And then when you hit send, I'm going to get an email, and I will be able to click on a link, and I can go right into your problem and see what you were adding together. Why didn't you get the problem right? So I can give you advice. So this is a way to ask me help about a homework problem. Sometimes students will just go to email and they'll type in everything about the problem, and that does not help me because I need to see the whole problem. So use this Ask My Instructor. Another thing that's really helpful is, let's see, when you're in the course home, and this may be helpful for people who maybe are waiting a few days to get your book. And so if you go to the Multimedia Library, here you can see there's a lot of different tools, so flashcards, demo docs, videos, and so those are some helpful study tools that you might want to use. But also, if you don't have the book for the first few days and you want to go in and take a look at the PowerPoint, so find now, and then let's say we go to the Chapter 1 PowerPoint. This is going to bring up a PowerPoint presentation. It's the textbook publisher's PowerPoint, and this is a very detailed PowerPoint presentation where you do get a lot from the book. It's not as good as the book, but it's better than nothing. So you can kind of fill this in with the lecture notes that I've provided on D2L. I have videos on D2L, and then the different study tools here. So you can see here's the PowerPoint, and here's a lot of the definitions. So this may be even helpful when you're going through and doing that vocab assignment for the first week. So those are some recommendations that I have that I think will, really help you get started in my accounting lab, as well as get started if you're waiting a few days to get the book. But remember, this class is only 7.5 weeks, so you need to get on the book, ordering it or what have you, because, you definitely need it, for next week. So hope that helps.